Imagine being lost in a forest, near wetlands, or deep in nature with no food and no way to get help. In situations like that, knowledge becomes your strongest tool. This video is about understanding nature and learning practical survival techniques that humans have used for generations. In this video, I demonstrate several ways to catch birds with a special focus on the WaterCock. These methods are simple, effective, and based on natural bird behavior. One of the main techniques I show uses a cage trap. In this setup, a WaterCock is placed safely inside a cage. Nearby, I use a small sound box that plays natural bird calls. These sounds attract other birds in the surrounding area. Birds are highly responsive to familiar calls, especially in wetland environments. When they hear the sound, they come closer, and that curiosity leads them into the trap. This method works because it follows nature, not force.